Christmas Day, have you thought about it? It is looming very fast, my friend, and we need to be feeling a little bit more organised. If you're anything like me, I'm hoping this next week, 10 days, is going to be super productive, so that I am going into the holiday period feeling very organised. But I'm thinking of you, and today I am making a healthy prawn cocktail, because we were having a conversation at dinner last night, and I was wanting to know, because it's just us for Christmas Day this year, and I was wanting to know what everyone wanted for Christmas Day. And so there was pizzas, there was pavlova, there was brandy snaps, there was ribs, several things going on. But for me, I said I want prawn cocktail, so that's what I'm making for you today. Now, my name is Nixon from Wick Wellbeing, and I'm all about empowering healthy living. Now, what I'm doing is I am going to put together, if there's enough interest, I'm going to put together a free ebook for you called Festive Flavors, Your Nutritious Christmas Day Meal Guide. So if you are feeling like you need some new inspiration, you want some healthy inspiration for Christmas Day, because there's always a place for the unhealthy on Christmas Day, but always a place for healthy as well. So if you want to get a copy, me to put that together and to get a copy of it, comment below. I just want to just put yes please, and then when it's ready I can share it with you. Okay, so this is a bit of a play on a normal prawn cocktail, and I've obviously put a healthy twist on it, because that's what I'm all about. So I'm making a prawn cocktail, consists of prawns, a little bit of lettuce. I've got my martini glasses ready to prepare into, and then I've just got some avocado, some red pepper, but it's all about the sauce. Tell me, comment in the comments box below, do you love a prawn cocktail? So the way that I always make things that are creamy, a little bit healthier, is to use natural yogurt instead of all mayonnaise. So that is some natural yogurt. We've got some mayonnaise here. And then there's all these other little contributions. This is a barbecue sauce, homemade barbecue sauce, because my daughter loves barbecue sauce, but with all the sugar that goes into a normal barbecue sauce, I was like, hun, we need to get some healthy into here. A little bit of salt and pepper, and some lemon juice and Worcester sauce. Yum. And then a little bit of Tabasco. Just going to do a couple of dots. And then I do love some spice, some heat. And so I'm just putting a little bit of cayenne pepper in there. And that is our sauce. Now you could make this sauce ahead of time and have it all prepared, and everything else that is going to, I've got some cooked prawns here. You can keep them whole. I've just chopped them up into little smaller portions. I'm going to pour a little bit of this into here, not all of it. This was all the prawns that I had left in my freezer. So these were actually prawn meat, raw prawn meat, and I just cooked it a little bit in butter, just to get that texture, and and to get them cooked. So I've added some red pepper in there. A normal prawn cocktail doesn't have red pepper in it, but we can test the normal, and some avocado. And this is actually where this inspiration for this recipe came from. I was like, what can I make? I've got avocados. And so I just love the abundance of avocados at the moment. Okay, so who loves, tell me if you're watching, I'm going to put all those avocados in. If you're watching and you would love if you like a prawn cocktail, comment below. Now look at that beautiful mixture. Just so divine. So I've just got my 2 prawn cocktail glasses here, and I'm going to use this, and I'm literally just going to spoon them in. Would you love a prawn cocktail for Christmas Day? Are you joining me like we are in our household? And so beautiful, served in these gorgeous martini glasses. You can really pile them up. You could keep a couple of raw, cooked whole prawns to put on the side. And then I'm just going to put a couple of lemon, and that's our prawn cocktail ready to go. So if you would like this recipe, then I want you to comment in the comments box below, yes please, because I am going to put this into an ebook, Festive Flavors, Your Nutritious Christmas Day Meal Guide. And it's just going to have some salads in there, some starters. Obviously this will be in there, some healthy desserts, all based around nutritional choices, because obviously we do have the other pavlova and the brandy snaps and all of those things that are going to be there, but we also want to have some healthy choices. So make sure you comment in the box below and tell me if you would like to get your hands on this, as then when it's ready, then I will share the link with you on how you can download it. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you tomorrow for Thermomix Thursday. See ya.